Welcome to Take a Minute. I'm Noemi, and in these stressful times, I'm here to share some tips with stay-at-home moms, working moms, and everything in between moms.
In this week's Take a Minute, let's talk about tech help. What is a tech help session? A tech help session is for patrons who have a computer, smartphone, tablet, or other electronic device and have a specific question on how to use it. You can schedule a one-on-one tech help session with a library staff member who can help you answer that question or help you use a specific app on your device. Tech help sessions are offered in English and in Spanish depending on the location. How long is a tech help session? A tech help session usually lasts about 45 minutes. Given the limited amount of time, tech help sessions are for specific questions you may have in using certain apps or electronic devices. They are by appointment only and can be scheduled online or by phone. Just call the Lark or Palmview Branch Library for more information. What are some things you can learn about during a tech help session? We can help you learn how to use your Facebook account, how to format a resume on Microsoft Word, learn more about attachments or contacts on your email account, learn how to use a new app like Snapchat, Twitter, or Instagram, or learn how to use your camera on your smartphone. What are some things to keep in mind about tech help sessions? Remember that library staff members are here to help you with simple technology questions. They cannot do any of the following, such as offer personal opinions, give tax help, offer any medical, legal, financial, or business advice, proofread documents, fill out online forms, or proctor tests. What if you need more help? You can schedule additional tech help sessions, but you are limited to one session per month. However, if you need more instruction than can be covered during a one-time only 45-minute session, you might want to consider joining one of our computer classes. There are computer classes available at the Palmview Branch Library. Registration is required for these classes, and these classes are bilingual and there is a waiting list. For more information on tech help sessions or the computer classes, call or come by any one of the branches at the McAllen Public Library or visit our website at www.mcallenlibrary.net. And this is Take a Minute.
This has been Take a Minute. I'm Noemi with the Palmview Branch Library, asking you to take a minute to take care of yourself so you can take care of your family.